because our attention of the House is drawn to the grave situation concerning a number of young individuals from India, including youth from Goa, who have been arrested and are currently detained in jails and immigration detention centers in the United States. These arrests are reportedly due to expired visas or lack of valid documentation. It is further disturbing to note that most of these detainees have not been able to contact their families back in India, leaving their loved ones in complete distress and uncertainty. These Goan youth had primarily gone to the United States in search of employment opportunities due to limited job prospects in our own state of Goa as well as in the country. This is a humanitarian issue requiring urgent government intervention. I urge the government of Goa and the Chief Minister to take up the matter with the Ministry of External Affairs and the Indian Embassy in the United States. 2. तीन डिमांड आहा. Identified detained individuals, Goan detained individuals identify करपाक कितले जाण गोंयकार डिटेन जाल्ले आहात ते. Facilitate communication between their families आणि गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन आणि तांगे फॅमिली कडेन कम्युनिकेशन ताकी तांकां पीस ऑफ माइंड आसपाक. तिसरें प्रोवाइड लीगल एंड कॉन्सुलर असिस्टन्स, लीगल असिस्टन्स थिंग्सन हाडपाक तांकां तांगे पासपोर्ट एक्सपायर जाल्ली आहा, कित डॉक्युमेंट एक्सपायर जाला ओ लीगल असिस्टन्स काडपाक. Further, steps must be initiated to address the root cause of unemployment so that our youth are forced to take such desperate measures, are not forced to take such desperate measures. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to intervene and assure the House that a committee or a team is being formed. I personally would like to surrender and give my time to be part of this team so that we can facilitate the dialogue between the US Embassy and the Goa government. I need some assurance on this so that this matter can be taken up.
Speaker sir, तांच्यानी जी डिटेल्स आसा पळय न्ही हाजी सबमीट करची म्हाज्या ऑफिसा कडेन. हांव CMO ऑफिसांतल्यान मॉनिटर करून लायता. टायम टू टायम अशा पद्दतीच्यो ज्यो केसीस येता आमच्या इधर NRI कमिशनरा कडेन किंवा म्हाज्या ऑफिसा कडेन आमी पर्सनली त्या एम्बसी कडेन फॉलोअप करून ह्या केसीक आतां पर्यंत मदत केल्ली आसा. ताका लिगल असिस्टंट जाय आसत किंवा बाकीची कितें ती सगळी मदत आमी करता. तो तिसरो मुद्दो जो म्हटला पळय न्ही फोर्स टू टेक, गोंयांत आनी देशांत खूब व्हडल्यो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ह्यो अवेलेबल आसा. फ्यू लोक्स जे आसा पळय न्ही भायर वता, इट इज देअर विश. ओके, इज देअर विश. हांव अशें म्हणना, बट डेफिनेटली गोवन आनी इंडियन आमकां ताका मदत करपाक जाय. ती आमी तूं डिटेल सगळी कितें आहा ती सबमीट कर म्हाज्या ऑफिसा कडेन. हांव म्हाज्या ऑफिसांतल्यान जे आसा पळय ती कम्युनिकेट करपाक लायता.